Lot 185 is a 62 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, a multiple award winner, AACA first place at Hershey, ITC National first place. Des Moines Concourse best in class the Milwaukee Concourse, has a 390 engine with a dealer-installed tri-power automatic transmission, multiple award-winning 62 T-Bird.
Look at that Thunderbird. I'd get him any bit of a cut of a we give 100,000 bid. 100,000 under down. I'd get him any bit of a cut of a here. 50,000, 50, 40, 30,000 bid. 30,000 under 40, 30 bid, 40, 50, 50,000 telephone 50, and 15. I'd get him in money 60, 60 bid. I'd get him in a 70, and 70,000 bid, and 70 bid, 60 here, and 70 bid, and 60. Get him in a 70 bid, 60 here, 70 bid, 80,000, 70 80, 75, 80 bid, 80,000, 85, 85 bid, 85, 85, 90 bid, 90 bid, 90. I'd get him in again 90, no 90, no 95, 95. Roll the car, and 95,000 the bid, and 95. Are we all done? 95 at 100,000, 100,000 bid. Reserve is off. 100 bid, 110, 105 bid. Somebody give $105,000. 105. You guys done here? 105. How about 105,000? 105. Roll that car. 105. The cars are sale, folks. Give 105,000 to 110,000 on a bid. Now 110. Telephones out. 105, 110, 115 a bid. Next way. 110, 115, 115. Your turn. 115,000. 110's here. 115,000. You 115, 115, 120, 120. You're out of it here. 120,000. 120,000 on a bid. You only 120 bids. Stay in the game if you want it. 120. He's out as well. 120,000. Walks through both. 120. 120,000 bid. 115's here. 120,000 a bid. 120 bid. Hit 120,000. I'd get a bit of a 20. 120 bid. Hit 120 bid. I'd get a bit of a both out of here. 120. Now 125. Now 125. 125. 130,000. 130. Frank. 130 bid. 130. 135 bid. 135,000. 135,000. 135. Cars give him 140 out of it here. 140,000 bid. 140. 140. 140 bid. 135. 40 bid. 140. You guys want 40 over there? 140. 145. 145. Now 145. 145. Car at the block. 145. 150's the bid. 160,000 in a bid. 150 out of it here. 160 is a no. 150. 160. 160. 150. 160 bid. 160,000 a bid. 160. 150 bid. I'd get a bit of a 60. You want it? 160,000. 150 bid. I'd get a bit of a 60 bid. 160,000. 160,000 bid. 160. 160. 160. 160 bid. I'd get a bit of a we gotta go. 160. Now 170,000. You ain't shook them all off yet, sir. You 160s right here. $170,000 to you. Your move. 170. 170,000 on a bid. 170. 170,000. 170 is bid. Now 180. 180,000. Like Battleship, you just got a better move. 180 bid. 180,000. 180,000 bid. I'd get a bit of 170 bid. 180. $180,000 on it. 180. 180. 180. 180 bid. I'd get a bit of 180 bid. 180,000. Now 190. Now 190 or 200 is what you're going to do. 190 or 2. $200,000 is bid. 225. That's the bold move. 200. Now what was he trying to tell you 5 seconds before that? 200,000. $210,000. Are we all done? Folks, that is a lesson. Sold 200,000. Sold $200,000. Jordan Hunter.